The book, Roma Colony of Sardinia, has been written in memory of Francesco Kaiku Fais, passionate about Sardinian history and culture. Bartolomeo Bèrtulu Porcheddu's work, a melting pot in which history, linguistics and archeology merge, has been translated into English by Maria Antonietta Meloni and into Sardinia by Bèrtulu Porcheddu himself. The project, completely carried out in Sardinia, was conceived to spread ancient Sardinian civilization around the world. The text is structured in 12 chapters and consists of 448 pages. 1,250 footnotes provide detailed bibliographical references, citing sources from ancient authors and modern writers' work. More than 100 dedicated images frame the volume, in which the author highlights the dominion held by the Sardinian people in the ancient Mediterranean basin from the Neolithic to the end of the Bronze Age. As in a puzzle, piece by piece, it progressively recomposes the close relationship between Rome and Sardinia. Enjoy the reading.